The Lion and the Mouse. One day, a lion was sleeping in front of its cave. At that time, a little mouse was playing nearby and, by chance, ran over the lion's body. The lion woke up very angry and started searching for who had disturbed its sleep. He found the little mouse nearby and said, "How dare you tease me? I will kill you." The mouse begged for its life. "Your Majesty, I am just a tiny creature. If you kill a poor creature like me, it will bring you no honor. Please spare my life this time." Out of pity, the lion let the mouse go. A few days later, the lion was caught in a hunter's net. No matter how hard he tried, he could not break free. He began to roar loudly. The mouse heard the roar and quickly came to the lion. "Your Majesty, please be quiet. I will gnaw at the ropes of the net with my sharp little teeth, and then you will be free." The mouse cut the net into pieces and set the lion free. The lion said, "Dear little friend, thank you very much. You have saved my life." Moral of the story: being kind to others is never a waste.